how to automatically sync video and audio on CapCut. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to automatically sync video and audio on CapCut. Alright, so let's begin. So first, let's create a new project and let's import the video and the audio that we want to use. Now let's drag both of these onto our timeline. After that, adjust them. Once do that, so what we do is we select both of them, we'll highlight both of them, right click and select sync video and audio, and that's it. It should be all synced. There are 3 different styles of pop-ups you can add to your video on. Alright, now that that's synced, what we can do, we can turn this volume off by clicking here, and we can select both clips again and do right click, and this time select create compound clip, and there we go. Here are 3 different styles of pop-ups you can add to your video on. So that's basically how you can automatically sync video and audio on CapCut. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.